Comrades and friends, tonight we are here in the symbolic shadow of our national hero, the Right Honorable Dr. Sylvia Cornwall Bird. We are here tonight because our country is at the crossroads. And in 1942, Antigua was at the crossroad. And V.C. Bird and the 39ers get together, put their heads together, put their ideas together, and they formed the third Antigua Revolution. That revolution brought Antiguans the right to self-governing. They brought the right to be represented by a trade union. They brought the right that when you work, you are entitled to a pension just like the managers and the owners of the plantation. That brought you the right to vote at the age of 21 and now 18 without having to have property qualifications. That brought you statehood to independence. It brought you from poverty, misery, to one of the most prosperous countries in the Eastern Caribbean. Right on. The jealousy of the entire Caribbean. Now tonight, we are at the crossroad as in 1940. And we stand in the shadow of the Right Honorable Dr. V.C. Bird. And we launched the fourth Antigua Revolution. We hereby declared that the fourth Antigua Revolution is declared. And we are no prisoners in the process. Your war you will get. I want to tell you tonight, we are coming out to reclaim our future, to reclaim Antigua for redemption with the Antigua Labour Party. We are here tonight to tell you that we are here to take Antigua and Barbuda to the next level. And I want to tell you, we are going to fight them house to house, street to street, like soldiers in a city fighting hand-to-hand combat. War you will get. Comrades, I say to you tonight, it is the battle for the mind and soul of every individual Antiguans. Because when we look that our children and grandchildren is saddled with a further national debt of $1.9 billion in 8 years, issues are non-negotiable. I said to you tonight, the war is on. And tonight, we are only launching the first air attack. The saturation bombing is yet to come. So if you think you'll keep the election to re-registration and gerrymandering, wet your hand and wait for us. We will be behind you, in front of you, at the side of you, and ahead of you. Comrades and friends, I am about to leave you tonight. But your challenge and your charge is to go back to every village and be an ambassador for this great institution, the Antigua Labour Party and the Antigua Trades and Labour Union. I said to you tonight, Dennis Dickinson in his grave demand it. C.T. Simon in his grave demand it. Nobel Richards in his grave